Oh, I'm sorry, something went wrong. I have to continue. This is iPhone 7. The battery is draining fast. We are told by the customer the battery is draining. I've already checked it. Is already the battery capacity is down to 82, 83, 81, 61. Once the battery capacity is down to 83 or 82, it means that it's asking for another battery. It can no more last for a day or maybe half a day, so we need to be changed. So now this is the screws. I've already put it. I've already lose the screw. Something happened to the first video. So I need to hit the gum. Like I said, this is the battery. This is the battery. 5%. I like using my nails. It makes it easier for me more than using another thing. That's it. Take a look at the battery. You discover that it's a bit swollen. It's a bit swollen. So that's the battery. It has to be changed. The battery needs to be changed. The battery has been changed before, but it's not the original battery. The battery we have in it is not the original battery. So I wouldn't like to disclose the sticker of the company that have changed the battery before. So I don't want to disclose any sticker of any company. So the battery has been changed, but not original battery. So I will have to put it in heat gun from behind, from back to heat, to release the gum from the battery. Audience, I'm sorry, like I promised, this month, before the month ends, I'll get a better camera to actually see what I'm doing. So what I'm doing now, the phone now is in heat gun here, heat gun. to release the gum from the battery, so it can be easier for me to remove. I have all this from other phone. This is my IC Samo. Because the battery has been changed before, there is nothing to release from it down, because you won't be able to see what you are removing from them. So you have to lift up the battery from here. This is the old battery. If you look at this battery properly, you will see that there is no Apple logo. There is no Apple logo on this battery. Take a look. There is no Apple logo on this battery, so it's not the original battery. So when you are charging your battery, you have to be careful where you go to change the battery. This is not the original battery. The one that was changed before is not the original battery. And look at the one I'm placing now. This is original Apple battery. You can see Apple logo on it.
Nascono principalmente con una antigrafo. Se non c'è una pellicola che invece è un po' più alta come resistenza, li tiene 29 e quest'altra invece tiene 20 euro, se no c'ho quella opaca. No, nel senso io ho quello di iPhone. Per l'iPhone c'ho anche dei temperati,
Now, placing this battery, I want to
vado a prendere la versione
release this gum on it.
Grazie. Ciao. Ovviamente non sono più contenuti. Non è come l'altra volta, vedi, mi dice proprio in tutto il giorno disponibile. Vedi? Non so se ho preso il sensore quando è inizio. 777.
So you can just see what I'm doing. Please bear with me. So this is the gum I'm going to be using to hold the battery. As you can see.
Ho già provato a spengere e accendere, vero? Sì. L'ho riavviato, però non l'ho proprio spento, sai? Non ci penso. Sai perché te l'ho fatto? Se non dovesse essere, mi si può girare giusto, mi sento girare. Devo controllare se è integrata oppure...
Here's the new battery.
Quindi poi ci vediamo giovedì direttamente. Posso stare 5 giorni senza accedere al punto di girare.
Here, the new battery is placed now. Here, with Apple logo.
Questo l'ha detto Giulio che è abbandonata. È un po' abbandonata. No, adesso mi cambierò, che devo fare? Tu non c'è niente di usato, perché non c'è qualcosa anche Samsung.
Oh, how are you?
Magari un po' di più così non fanno tutto il cambio di lavoro. ci ho pensato a questo gioco, ho sempre avviato.
And that's all.
No, lasciato un posto lasciato. Ah, ok, vabbè. In caso. Me lo può ordinare, però
The battery was in 83 by capacity. Like I told you once, the battery is down to 83 or 82. Any iPhone battery, it means that it needs to be changed. Now this one is down to 83. I need to change that. I've changed it now. You will see what you have after changing it. It's already okay.
Quanto costa il danno? Spero poco. Vediamo. No, io così, massimo una ventina d'euro. Quando io sono a Milano, quando tu mi devo porto,
And the battery has been changed.
Ma mi fai solo controllare il codice?
Now it's on. Andrea,
Sì?
scusa se ti disturbo, ripeti il codice sblocco. Codice sblocco?
Codice sblocco del 7?
Sì.
28
28
12
97.
97.
Okay, now I've changed it 28.
Mi porti pure la batteria vecchia poi, ma.
See. Now the battery has been changed. And here is the battery. The new battery capacity. Now this is the new battery capacity, 100%. The new battery capacity, 100%. So the phone is good to go now. Please, if you like my video, please just help me like, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much, audience. Thank you.